Hello, 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 all my Pisces kings and queens. Today we are going to draw the two fish for the Pisces symbol. So you're going to start out with drawing kind of like a yin and yang. So I'm just going to make a half circle. And now I'm going to come down and I'm going to make another half circle, but not connecting them. Perfect. Then you're going to draw the body. So you're just going to take it and bring it around in kind of a circle shape like that. And then just bringing it all around and connecting it to the tail. And now you're going to do the same thing in this direction. Great job. And now we're going to add our fishtail onto it. So I'm just going to make kind of like a fanned out tail like that. And now I can connect it together. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're just going to kind of be mimicking both sides as we go along. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of detail using my pin just lightly. Same thing on this side, like I said, mirroring. Well, actually technically it's not mirroring because it's not perfectly on the other side, but reverse mirroring. Cool. And now we're going to add the mouth. So just making a circle like that. Same like this, circle. Now we're going to come in and we're going to add an eye. Make a little white iris at the front. Fill it in. And same on this one. Great job. Then I'm going to go in, I'm going to add the scales. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. Same on this side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So just basically like a pyramid of V's. Then when you're done with that, we're going to add a fin. Same on this side. Great job. Just like the tail, we're just going to add a little bit of detail. Right. And then lastly, I want to show the little watermarks. So I'm just going to do some quick swooshes to show that the water is in motion. Like that. And then in the middle, just going to draw the Pisces sign. And there you have it, our Pisces drawing.